start over, yeah. Did you already start the video?
I did. Oh, I think so. Wait, so am I driving this Starbucks? Are you driving? Well, of course, one of us is gonna be.
Are we walking?
Are you running? Are we skating?
Where am I?
What's his face? I forgot his name. At first I thought you said Randy. I was like, that's not Randy. No,
I know, it's like, yeah, I was making fun of you.
oh, fucking shit, that was funny. Should I honk? I should go.
I'll show you do it earlier. I'll do it. I'll show you do it
When you first came here? Oh, no, yeah.
I was like, it don't work.
Oh, feel my phone.
It's cool.
I know, it feels so good. Oh, that was the part I was like, shh. I think it's coming up soon.
I'm so here on the road, and I'm waiting for you to go. A part of you. Think of all the things.
I was trying to make it home and it didn't work.
Holy shit, that was funny.
I want to put you in my world. You are the one. You're in my eyes.
Oh my goodness. That was fucking funny. Pretty much the funniest thing of today, besides the first thing, whenever we were sitting right there. Suki. Is it really bouncing?
Yeah.